As the population is growing, the amount of waste production has also increased in present era. Waste and its management have been a major issue since human waste contains some materials which are not decomposable and non-renewable or may take many years to form, such as metals, plastic and non-metals, etc. have to be recycled efficiently.
Nature and objectives of the project. Innovation always helps mankind to make life simpler. Recycling of human solid has been a tedious job to do. So, we have come up with our proposed project an innovative way of separating different types of dry waste efficiently, which is small step make our country clean. That is automatic waste segregation machine. The main objective of this project is to reduce manpower. Earlier, the sorting of waste was done manually by humans. But with the use of this machine, sorting of waste will be done automatically using different mechanisms. This will reduce labor cost and also lessen health issues of the laborers who come directly in contact with the hazardous environment. This machine will also help to segregate waste efficiently. Objectives of our project are to provide an efficient waste segregation process, to fabricate the system which will sort the waste efficiently, to produce the system that is efficient as well as economical, to reduce manpower, to design low power consuming system, and to reduce the cost of maintenance of the system.
Some main parts of our project is: first, conveyor belt. It is a continuously moving belt which is used to move the waste material from one end of the belt to another. Rollers. A cylinder that rotates about a central axis and is used in various machines and devices to move. Guide plate. It is used to guide the waste material onto the magnetic roller. Magnetic roller. It is nothing but roller fitted with magnet. Motor. It is a device that changes an electrical form of energy to a mechanical energy to produce a motion. Tank. It is a container for holding water.
Now we will see how this machine works. This project mainly consists of three parts, that is conveyor belt, magnetic roller and water bath separator. Crushed solid waste materials will be carried to the length of the conveyor belt using motor driven rollers. From here, the small waste particles will set to fall free on the moving magnetic roller situated below the conveyor belt. Due to magnetic field of the magnets in the roller, the metals which are metallic in nature will get attached to the roller and other non-metallic particles such as glass, aluminum, plastic, stainless steel will fall into the water bath separator. The magnetic particles which are attached to the moving roller will get detached from it using a fixed plate on the other side of the roller, and metallic particles will be collected in a separate bin. In the water bath separator, the lighter materials like plastic will float on water, whereas other denser materials like aluminum, stainless steel, glass will sink in water. The lighter materials floating on the water will be removed by a plate moved using chain sprocket arrangement, and it will be collected in a separate bin. In the same way, the denser materials at the bottom of the water bath separator will be removed by plates using sprocket chain arrangement and collected in a separate bin.